Stop eating junk. Your gut gets in.
Let's get this started. Make sure you don't miss a single thing because this is a full course and it will help you get much better results. So first, you need to join the server to get all the prompts you need. I'll put the link in the description and comment section. The server also contains a lot of free prompts, niches, overlays, sound effects, viral niches, proofs for giveaways, and courses. Now, go to Content Drops and go to 3D Pixar. Download these 2 PDFs and then open the Echo Map PDF. Then go to Claude. Go back to the Echo Map and copy the model script analyzer. Then paste it into Claude. After that, click the plus icon and make sure to add the model script PDF that you downloaded earlier. Next, go to Image Prompt and copy all the prompts here. Then paste them into Claude. Wait for Claude to finish all the prompts. Here, you can see it's Nano Banana, since Nano Banana is the one making great quality images right now, but you can choose a different model if you prefer. So, let's go to Flow AI. Create a project. And paste the first prompt sent by Claude. Then, click the settings and make sure it's set to Image and Nano Banana. Choose Portrait and 4 image results for better choices. Then send it. After it's done, repeat the process over and over until you've finished all the prompts from the image prompt section. After you finish all of that, go back to the Echo map and copy the VEO3 prompt, then paste it into Claude. Wait for Claude to send the new prompts. Then copy it and paste it into Flow AI. Make sure to follow these settings. Select video, only one video, or you can choose 4 if you have more credits, choose portrait, and choose ingredients. Click the plus icon and choose the first 4 images we created. In the 4 images per group, choose only one image, then send it. Remember that video generators are not perfect, so you can redo it until you get the right output. Then, repeat the process until you finish all of it.
Depleted. You skip iodine and live on processed food.
My hormones are crashing, slowing every cell you own.
Eat real food.
After that, download all the videos and go to CapCut. Drop all the video clips and trim or crop them to remove unnecessary frames. Add Auto-Captions and choose a one-word template. You can choose any one-word template you prefer. Then add a 4K filter.
Depleted. You skip iodine and live on processed food.
My hormones are crashing, slowing every cell you own.
Eat real food.
Shrinking. Chronic stress floods me with cortisol daily. My memory neurons are dying and you're forgetting everything. Manage your stress. Stretched. You hold urine for hours every single day. My walls are thickening and losing elasticity. Overloaded. Sugar after sugar hits me without mercy. My beta cells are burning out from exhaustion. Cut sugar now.
Depleted. You skip iodine and live on processed food.
My hormones are crashing, slowing every cell you own.
Eat real food.
And also add background music, which you can get from the server. It's free and copyright free as well. Add transitions to make it smoother. And that's it. The next tutorial will be about commentary. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
My hormones are crashing, slowing every cell you own.
Eat real food.
Shrinking. Chronic stress floods me with cortisol daily. My memory neurons are dying and you're forgetting everything. Manage your stress. Stretched. You hold urine for hours every single day. My walls are thickening and losing elasticity. Overloaded. Sugar after sugar hits me without mercy. My beta cells are burning out from exhaustion. Cut sugar now.
Deplete.
Sell you all.
Eat real food.
Shrinking. Chronic stress. Stress. Stretched. You hold urine for hours every single day. Overloaded. Sugar after sugar hits me without mercy. My beta cells